My friends, power yoga, morning, afternoon, evening, whenever, just do it. Modify as needed, always use control, full body workout, add power yoga to your life and watch everything expand mentally, physically, and even spiritually. I'm Coach Vigue. I'm inside because it's freezing outside. I'm in Decatur, Illinois. You want to know why? I can't tell you. Let's begin in child's pose. Invite your friends, everybody, get on the mat. Do this workout anywhere, anytime, all body weight. Stretch it back to child's pose. We're going to flow, we're going to move, get a little sweaty, even though it's 55 degrees in here. But that's why we're doing power yoga. Inhale forward, rock it forward into a modified plank. Exhale back. Breathe in the nose, out the nose. Or if you're stuffed up, switch that breath. But get a good focus on the breath with the movements. Inhale forward, rocking forward, massaging the shoulders, stretching the back. 3 more. Put on your favorite music as well. You can hear my voice and hear the music. Or God forbid you turn off the volume here and just hear the music, but that's perfectly acceptable. Now take it back. Let's add a cobra or up dog. So come forward, knees down and lift. Shoulders back and down. Squeeze the glutes, protect the lower back, and then stretch it back. You can also tuck your toes if you prefer. There's a lot of if you prefers in this kind of workout in power yoga. It's strong, it's powerful, but ultimately it's all yours. So do what you must. Elbows are in, shoulders down, stretch it out. Feels so good on the back. I'm filming this the day after Christmas. So as always, especially after that, all that food, all that chatting, extra sitting, we come to the mat and we get back on track. Feeling energized and strong. 2 more times. Flowing through, never stopping. Great for athletes. 1 more time. All right, take it back. Now forward, down onto the mat, arms out to the side. Bend that right leg, go into a scorpion, back and forth. Stretching and twisting. Back to center. Press into the left hand, bend the left leg, and bring it back. Inhale, exhale. All right, dynamic movement. So we move all the way through and around your range of motion. Forcing your body to adapt in real time, get stronger with every second, every breath. Oh, that feels so good. Shoulders too getting a stretch. 1 more time each side. All right, back to the center. Bring it into downward facing dog. Give me a moment while I tuck in my shirt. You gotta tuck. Okay, and press back, downward facing dog. Remember, you can always modify through the power yoga flows. Do what you must, but practice daily. Daily practicing. Inhale, rock forward. Exhale, bring it back. 5 more times. Smush those heels towards the floor. 2 more, rounding the back. Little stuffy, it's winter, I'm in the Midwest. Just goes with the territory, doesn't it? Especially in these inversions. All right, now bring it forward, keep going. All the way forward and down. You can drop the knees or keep the knees off the mat. We have a full upward facing dog right here. Tops of the feet down, shoulders back. Stretch and lift. Power up the arms and shoulders. Now lower down and press it back. Downward facing dog. This time let's walk the legs. Walk in the dog. Stretch the arms, relax the shoulders. Feels so nice. Sculpting the back and the backs of the legs. I'm teaching a class in here in a few hours, even with the killer clown back there. 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Vinyasa flow, the power flow. Bring it together. Inhale forward to plank. Plank position, hands on the shoulders, elbows in. Keep pressing forward, lower down. Hover, elbows hugging the ribs all the way down. Cobra here or up dog. Really let those triceps and shoulders know you love them. Stretch it out. Lower down, downward facing dog. And inhale, right leg comes up. Lift tall, three-legged dog. Stretch the arms. Moving into a lunge, right foot forward, drop the left knee down or stretch that back leg, lift up. Lunge position. Shoulders back and down. Press that left heel towards the floor, left shoulder back. Now arms up over the head, crescent lunge. Find that balance, find that stability in the pose, engaging the front leg. Now cactus arms, slowly. Pull the arms back, palms forward, and slowly drift them down. The elbows working their way towards each other behind you. Now reach forward, hands down, downward facing dog, left leg lifts. Stretch it out. Left foot forward, lunge. Line up the knee and the ankle. Stagger the feet, shoulders back and down, stretching the back leg and arms up. 3 breaths. Sink into that lunge with your exhales. Shoulders relaxed. Hi. I find being an instructor a good random hi or howdy or how you doing? Vigue, ça va? Seems to help. Lets people know you're watching. Now cactus arms. Wink. All right, open. How was the class? It was good, but Coach Vigue but with an I think he winked at me. I didn't know what to do. All right, reach forward. Now Vinyasa flow, step back to plank, forward, down. Putting the power in power yoga. Up dog or cobra, back to down dog. Inhale, right leg up, open the hip, bend the knees, stretch it out. Called a down dog scorpion. Stretch. Now, right foot forward, lunge with a twist. Left hand down, inhale, right arm up. Giving you a lot of classics in this one. Really opening up the body, let the arm drift back behind you. And then up and over and down and step back, down dog, left leg, open the left hip. The scorpion, left foot forward, lunge with a twist, and then slowly bring this arm down. Open up the chest, open up your breath. Do it now. Open, and then up and over. Vinyasa flow, step back. You could also bring it through like this in more of a snake variation if you like. Elbows are in, downward facing dog. Stretch it back, walk the legs. Bring the knees across. Okay, we're all happy. Right leg up, open the hip. Right foot forward, triangle. Lengthen the legs, arms out, line up the heels, reach. Hinge to the right. Set it up. The right hand on the leg or back of the hand to the inside of the leg, left arm up. Triangle. Stay open, stay lifted. 3 breaths. Oh, very strong. The left shoulder is getting a great stretch as we open it up. Now extend that left arm to the right. Extended triangle, 3 breaths. One of my favorites. Oh, just massaging down the left side. Yes. Now bend the knee. Forearm on the leg, side angle, warrior. Left arm up or extend. Little movement here, rocking that warrior. And reverse it. Right arm up, left hand on the leg, or left arm on the low back. Reach up and back. 2 breaths. Keep the legs strong. Can you hear me? Good. All right, arms up, cartwheel. Slowly bring the arms down. Step back to down dog. Left leg up, open. There's the scorpion again. Get the blood moving in the abdominals and the low back. Left foot forward, triangle. Hi, shoulders back and down. What am I doing? We reach. We reach the rib cage going this way. Hand down or back of the hand, arm up. Look up to this hand. And breathe as we open all of this up. This right shoulder is going back. This foot is pointed forward. The heels are lined up. Back foot is turned in ever so slightly to protect the knee. One more breath. Now extend. 3 breaths right here. Extended triangle. This arm is back. This shoulder is back. This breath is open. All right, side angle. Bend this knee. Forearm on the leg. Right arm up or extend. 3 breaths. Bouncing, little movement. Challenge the legs, challenge the inner thighs, the hamstrings, the quads. All right, then reverse. This arm can also come in front. Reverse warrior, 2 breaths up and over. Feel that power, feel that strength, that presence. Unleash that potential. Now cartwheel, arms up. Heading into a Vinyasa flow. Step back, forward, down. Cobra or up dog. Oh, it's so good. Downward facing dog. Shake out the legs. Down dog dance. I don't want to dance. No, it's more of a polka. Take the right foot, step back. Back and forth. Stretch out that back, becoming very pliable. Pliability brings great strength, great potential. Everyday life, athletics, activities, whatever you do. All right, right leg up just for a moment, then bring me into a lunge. Whoa! Arms up. Option, side, half moon. So put the weight in your right foot, right hand down. This left arm reaches up, or go into a triangle again. We're gonna do a classic one here. You can also grab that foot. I'm not feeling that today. I wanna do this. This is half moon. All right, bring it back to lunge. Find the balance. Well, that's better, Coach Vigue. All right, arms up, cactus arms. I have the power yoga power. Arms down and step back. Down dog, left leg up just for a moment. Just for a titch of time. Lunge. Okay, sink it down, strong. Triangle or half moon. Weight is in the left foot. Here we are. Okay. Remember, instructors get shaky too. Instructors fall over. Instructors might even say a naughty word like, drat. Hey, there's your half moon. Step back, lunge. Stretch it out, stretch out the lunge. Arms up, cactus arms. Shoulders sliding down the back. Vinyasa flow, slow it down. No. Bend the knees. Explode forward to plank. Keep moving forward. Down slowly. Hover. Cobra or up dog. Feels good. Feels mighty good. Downward facing dog. Just one more flow. We'll clean it out. Right leg up. Right foot forward. Warrior wrap. You could do side angle again, or right arm underneath. Left arm around. This is always a powerful pose. Grab the fingers, grab the hands, shoulders back. Woo, 3 breaths. You could also lengthen that front leg if you like into a triangle wrap. Woo, you could feel that. All right, reverse. Oh, like before, pick your option. Cartwheel, hands down, step back, left leg up. And let's do the wrap on the other side. So side angle or wrap. Left arm underneath, right arm around. Ooh. And experiment lengthening that leg. This is a very expansive stretch. It's big. It's challenging. Because this right shoulder wants to drop down. We want to keep it back. Keep our chest open. Keep our breath flowing. All right, reversed. There we go. Up, up, up. Cap down. Those fluorescents get me. Oh, I'm doing a cartwheel. Vinyasa flow. Step back, bend the knees. Explode forward and down. Up dog or cobra. Take an extra 2 breaths here. I love this stretch. Does wonders for my back to loosen it up. I can feel the blood moving. I can feel my posture getting more solid as my shoulders go back, my elbows come in. And even in a pose like this, I can keep my chest open. Now lower down, extend the arms forward, and Superman. Lift up, 5 breaths. Total back sculpting. Strong backs. Go into this new year and beyond with strong back. My back is strong, pliable, flexible. All right, downward facing dog, and drop the forearms down. We have dolphin. Let me check that shirt. Oh my goodness, that was exciting. Thumbs touching. Here's dolphin. Modify with the knees down. You can pulse it forward and back. Let's do 5 breaths no matter what. Put that dolphin down. There we are. Stretch it back. Been watching a lot of Christmas movies with my son. They're in my head. I love them. Added Jingle All the Way this year. Some good lines. Definitely good lines to bring to the class. You win #1 customer. 1 more breath. All right, knees down. Beautiful, my friend. Sitting back, shoulder rolls. Inhale, lift, exhale, back. How'd that feel? Good power yoga? Excellent. If this helped, my friends, click that like button. Helps get this video out to so many more people. I greatly appreciate that. Subscribe and click that notification bell up there to never miss one of my workouts. Train with me, Coach Vigue, anywhere, anytime. Been doing this a while now. I appreciate training together, getting stronger, getting more flexible, getting more mobile as we age, and being able to basically live in our bodies with so much more confidence. One more time, rolling back and down. And as always, Coach Vigue will see you around. Hello again, my friends. It's Coach Vigue. I love that we're training together. I love it so much. I want to give you, as a gift, my most popular 30-minute yoga video ever. It's from the Sean Vigue Fitness app. All you got to do is click the first link in the comment section below, and it's yours. Go get it right now.